Okay children, now please open to page number 107. Let's begin with the first sum. 4 plus 4. So 4 in your head and 4 on your fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Next is 6 plus 3. So here we will put the greater number in our head and the smaller number, which is 3, on our fingers. Okay, so 6 in your head. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next we have 7 plus 2. So here again what we will do? Greater number in your head and 2 on your fingers. So after 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next we have 4 plus 5. So again here which number will come in our head? The greater number, 5. So 5 in our head and 4 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. We have 3 plus 4. So 4 in our head and 3 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 1 plus 2. 2 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 2, 3. Answer is 3. Next, 9 plus 0. So 9 in our head and 0, nothing. So answer is, what is in our head? Number 9. So answer is 9. Here we have 0 plus 4. So 4 is the greater number. So 4 in our head and again 0. So nothing. So answer is number 4. Very good. Next we have 2 plus 4. 4 in our head, 2 on our finger. After 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next 4 plus 3. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next 8 plus 1. 8 is a greater number. So 8 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 8, 9. Answer is 9. Next 7 plus 0. So 7 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 7. This is the solution for this page of our